Now, shares in the hottest stock on the US stock market, chipmaker Nvidia, rose sharply in after-hours trading overnight after the company's second quarter sales more than doubled to $13.5 billion US. But what exactly does Nvidia do that has the market so excited? Well, Nvidia is at the forefront of the boom in artificial intelligence, especially the future devices that'll change human life by learning, creating, and advising. It creates computer chips that power generative AI that we now know through applications like ChatGPT that create text, images, and media, just like these pictures that aren't movies necessarily, but images created using Nvidia computer chips. Well, Nvidia shares have climbed more than 220% since the start of this year, and they just kept going overnight with its quarterly earnings up more than 6.5% in after-hours trading.
What's driving stocks today is what's been driving it for the whole week up until today, which is the excitement over AI with Nvidia reporting.
But the Nvidia chips promise to do more than just create brilliant pictures or to instantly write reports or essays. In future, they'll be used to break down the ultimate human barrier, language. This is Jensen Huang, Nvidia president, on the earnings call overnight.
These large language models are pretty phenomenal. It does several things, of course. It has the ability to understand unstructured language. But at its core, what it has learned is the structure of human language, and it has encoded or within it, compressed within it, a large amount of human knowledge.
So imagine that you speak to somebody in Chinese and you hear them instantly back in English. That's the sort of thing we're talking about. So where's the money in all this, you might ask? Again, here's Jensen Huang.
The world has something along the lines of about $1 trillion worth of data centers installed in the cloud and enterprise and otherwise. And that $1 trillion of data centers is in the process of transitioning into accelerated computing and generative AI. We're seeing two simultaneous platform shifts at the same time. One is accelerated computing, and the reason for that is because it's the most cost-effective, most energy-effective, and the most performant way of doing computing now.
And that pretty much sums up why Nvidia has grown so rapidly to become the fifth most valuable company in America, with only Amazon, Alphabet, Microsoft, and Apple above it. It's now valued at just under $1.2 trillion US. That's around the same value we worked out as all of the top 50 companies on the ASX. So BHP, CSL, all the banks, the supermarkets, the lot.